Motherfuckers took my fucking car, man. Fucking towed that shit because of my fucking registration. Motherfuckers. And they stole my shit from me. Fuck these fools. What's going on, everybody? So, I had to go to the DMV to renew my registration in order to get my car back from the tow yard. So here I am. Gotta pay these fees, astronomical fees after that to get it out of the tow yard. So let's see what happens. What's up, everybody? So now I have to go get liability insurance in order to get the movement permit to get my car out the impound. I had to pay all the fees to get my registration. Now I just need to get a smog, but I can get my car out of the impound. There's a moving permit right there. It's got two of them. There's one to move the car out of the impound and one to move it. Back at the tow yard, about to get my car out now. Paid the fees. Got lump sum and shit. Couldn't let my car go to lien sale and shit. Fuck that. Oh. I didn't know about that little 72-hour roll of SD, and motherfuckers called the cops on my shit. Got towed to a fucking tow yard. Had to pay a fucking small fortune to get this shit out. Motherfuckers thought they were gonna be able to take my shit and lien sell my BMW. Fuck them. Got that shit.